traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1538 edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. This 1538 edition of these nightly videos is coming to you on a Sunday night for trading, Monday, October 31st, 2016. Remember, traders, futures trading can be extremely risky, can cause substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. You must have risk capital to lose if you're going to play this game. So, what do we have on the board? We're going to start off with a red Omni in the emini S&P, the Russell, and the NASDAQ, and I have to say, it's a little iffy right here. I mean, any news can spook this right back up, but we're going to start off with the red Omni in the Russell, NASDAQ, E-mini, the usual suspects. We'll see where that goes. A newly minted formation. Thank you to the OMNI in my trading room Thursday and Friday. They have named the formation for me. The newly minted or coined formation is called the Hildebeest formation, of all things, and I'll show that to you on charts. Flags are dominating the charts, and they are working really well. We'll go over them. Tesla, let's throw it out there. Tesla Motors, is that on a slippery slope? A little bit of oil on the road there? You got to take a look at that. Traders, a bunch of great charts I want to get to right away. Let me just remind you that there's an Omni camp coming up. That would be basically between January and February. I'm thinking the last weekend in January, maybe the second weekend in February. I want to hold an Omni camp live here in Las Vegas where I will take 5 of you Omniacs and I will train you and teach you Oscar's market navigational indicator for yourselves. We are together. It's more like 5 days. I own the building you're going to be in. We all stay together. We live together. We work together. 5 days you will learn the Omni. If that sounds enticing to you, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Click the Omni Camp banner. Fill out a small application and I'll personally call you. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at the Hildebeest and a few more charts. Okay, traders, the Dow Jones Industrial Average daily bar chart. You've been seeing this in many of my videos, video after video. Bear flag, market breaks down, leads into another bear flag. And I have always maintained a school of thought. My school of thought is that a chart is merely a visual look at all of the news, all of the reports to be released, all of the reports that have been released, and the news about to come out, including traders' reaction to such. That is all the chart. It's the news, it's everything. So we have one bear flag into a second bear flag. There was news coming out. The bear flag showed it. What was it? The news about Hillary being charged again, possibly, at least looked into. We named it the Hildebeest formation. 2 flags in a row, coined the Hildebeest formation once again. Thank you, OmniX in the trading room. Not my coinage, but hey, we'll go with it for now. This is the week to go with that, right? Flags still dominating. It looks like we may go lower. Traders, the Russell 2000. I showed you this chart when we were here. I said the market hit here and failed. Now we're going to get bearish again. It was above OTAPMA. Watch what happens next. Bear flags work well. Watch this. Here's where it was. And this is what happened. Put them together. Isn't that amazing? Wow, great analysis. Below OTAPMA, big breakdown. So far, so good. The flags are working. Traders, the 10-year notes. I showed you this in my last video. In fact, I debuted it and said, let's welcome this market as the next market to start the downdraft. This is the chart I showed you. Here's where it was. And this is what happened. Amazing, right? Tell me these charts are working really, really well lately. The flags are fantastic. Next, look at this. Crude oil. Remember the F flag, the Oscarism known as an F flag? I said it got F'd. We are going to short it. And this is what has happened since the F flag got F'd. And OmniX got lucky on that move. Very nice. Traders, it just keeps on moving. Now, soy meal. Just for you fans that are soy meal fans, there's a lot of you out there. Last time we rallied up above the 200 and came back down. We did it again. We came back down. And when you get above, you stay above. But when you get below, you stay below. We're below. Just gets above. Thursday, but turns around on Friday and comes back here. Be a little cautious in your soybeans and your soy meal. And then there's this. The dollar index. A lot of traders calling Friday a break in the dollar and it's going to go down. And I say, no, no, no. My chart masterpiece. This turns out to be an Oscarism F flag, bullish. We go up into another flag. A traditional bull flag has been built now. The likelihood is we move higher, not lower, because this flag worked. And this flag should. Why? Because we broke out above the 200 bar moving average, and it's been wonderful ever since. So keep your eyes on that. That is the dollar. And then there's this, traders. Look at this Tesla Motors chart. Tesla, 200 bar moving average once again. Failure here gave you this, but you're inside of this pennant, so to speak. Rallied out, broke out of the pennant, failed right at the 200 bar moving average, and then this happened on Friday. This looks like it wants to take a little elevator ride to the downside. That is your Tesla Motors. Traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room. I'll meet you there. Okay, traders, so you've seen the chart. You've got my technical argument for why we're starting out with the red Omni. Welcome to the Hildebeest formation. Very cool. Flags are dominating and working well. Let's stay with them for now. And you've seen that Tesla is on a slippery slope. All right, traders, the beginning of the week, we have a long way to go. Make sure you come on down to livewithoscar.com and let's make our OMNIX great again. Yeah. All right, traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. How'd you like those trades last week from OMNIX? Keep them coming. I'll keep it coming. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.